Welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, you might have just had a great result on your EICR, and let me just say, congrats. But now what? Is it one and done? Or is there more to it? In this episode, we're going to explore what passing your EICR really means, and how to keep your property in that safe, compliant, stress-free zone. What a satisfactory result really means. When your report says satisfactory, that means the installation is safe for continued use. No C1s, no C2s, and not too many C3s, just a clean bill of electrical health. It doesn't mean you never have to worry again, but it means right now you're in a very good place. Interested? Check out the full video and browse our playlists for more. Landlords, keep it with no C1s, no C2s, and not too many C3s. Make sure it stays satisfactory. The emotional relief. Let's be honest, waiting for the results of an EICR can be nerve-wracking. So when that report comes back all clear, the relief is real. I've had landlords say, I can finally sleep tonight. I've had new homeowners feel like their entire move just became easier. It's a big deal. You're not just safe, you're in control, and that's a great feeling. Today we're doing an EICR and we've got a house of multiple occupancy, so we're going to go through and make sure that we can get it to the standard that is it's compliant. So we're doing the Z's test on the circuit. The downstairs, kitchen, living room and corridor is all on one circuit. How to maintain a satisfactory rating. So how do you keep it that way? Here are a few habits that will help make your next report just as clean. 1. Don't overload circuits. Avoid plugging too many things into one socket. We do not recommend using quality power strips with surge protection as well. 2. Look after your accessories. Cracked faceplates, loose switches or buzzing sockets. Get them looked at early. 3. Avoid DIY fixes. Just because it works doesn't mean it's safe. Call a qualified electrician, it's worth it. 4th annual mini checks. Set a calendar reminder to walk around once a year and check for damage, heat marks or discoloration. Make sure to also carry out RCD testing every 6 months and test your smoke alarms at the same time. 5. Keep records. Have a folder, digital or physical, for your EICR and any electrical work done. Makes future inspections easier. What triggers a new EICR? You might not need another full report for 5 or 10 years depending on your property type, but here's when you should consider one sooner. After major renovation or rewiring.
Okay, so some progress. So what we normally do is we leave one socket so that they can use to plug in anything to charge or whatever else. So what we do, we use the old socket. We leave it alone. This is a nice socket, but it is still the old one. So we got progress coming, all the conduit in, the cable is in for the spurs, for the fridge freezer. We've got to dig down, as you can see. We've got the cooker You've got some more conduit to put here for the socket. One of my back boxes, I counted one less or two less. So we're going to put that in. These two are in now. As you can see, they're dead straight. Yeah. So one is for the cooker. So what we do, we put in a 6mm plate.
Interested? Check out the full video and browse our playlists for more. When buying or selling a property, if you experience repeated electrical faults, if you bring in large new equipment, future-proof your safety. Keeping your electrics safe isn't about paranoia, it's about staying ahead. Just like you'd service your boiler or check your car's brakes, your wiring deserves the same care.
The whole idea of testing and inspection is it's like a checkup when you go to the doctors, just to see what's going on, make sure everything's working as it was initially, and anything that needs updating in terms of the 18th edition regulations, Amendment 3.
A well-maintained property keeps people safe, protects your investment, and ensures you stay compliant. That's a win on every front. So if you've passed your EICR, enjoy it, but don't forget to maintain it. Your future self and anyone living or working in your space will thank you. If this video helped, tap that like button, subscribe for more practical property tips, and drop a comment below. What did your EICR experience feel like?